Hello, and once again welcome to Prakash Academy. Today we are going to do class 8 linear equations exercise 2.6 solutions, and we are going to do all questions one by one. So the first question is 8x minus 3 divided by 3x equal to. Basics of linear equations we have already done. If any doubt you have, the link is given in the description box of that videos. You can watch that one, then it will be easy. 2 I can write it as 2 by 1. Now when equal sign we have, we do cross multiplication. Now 8x minus 3 and multiply with 1. Any number multiply with 1 is the number itself. So it became 8x minus 3 equal 2 into 3x or 3x into 2. So now I got 8x minus 3 equal 3 into 2, 6x. Now 8x, this 6x will come this side. So minus 6x equal minus 3 will come this side, then 3. 8x minus 6x, I got 2x. 2x equal 3, then x will be 3 by 2. So the answer for the first question is 3 by 2. Now, the second question is 9x divided by 7 minus 6x equal 15. Again 15, I can write it as 15 by 1. Now, same thing, cross multiplication. So 9x into 1, it became 9x, and then 15 into 7 minus 6x. So I got 9x. When I simplify this bracket, 15 into 7. So 15 sevens are 105. And 15 into minus 6x. So I got minus 90x. Now 9x, this minus 90 will come this side. So plus 90x equal 105. Now 9x plus 90x, I got 99x equal 105. Then x will be 105 divided by 99. If I divide which number table? 3 number table. 3 3s are, again 3 3s are, and 3 I got 35. So it means I got x equal 35 by 33. So for the second question, the answer of x is 35 by 33. Now question number 3. Z by z plus 15 equal 4 by 9. So again cross multiply. 9 into z equal 4 into z plus 15. When I simplify, I got 9z equal 4 into z, 4z, and 4 into plus 15, I got 60. Now 9z, this will come this side. So minus a 4z equal 60. 9 minus 4, because they're like, so I got 5z equal 60. Then z will be 60 by 5. 5 ones are and 5 12s are. So z equal 12. So for the question number 3, the value of z equal 12. Now question number 4. 3y plus 4 divide 2y. Now question number 4. 3y plus 4 divide 2 minus 6y equal minus 2 by 5. Again cross multiplication. Now 5 into 3y, I got 15y, and 5 into 4 simply plus 20 equal minus 2 into 2, I got minus 4, minus minus plus, so it means simply plus, and 2 into 6y, I got 12y. Now 15y, this 12y will come this side, equal minus 4 is already on the right hand side, this plus 20 will come this side, minus 20. 15 minus 12, I got 3y equal minus 25. 4. Minus minus, so we add the number and the symbol will be minus. So y equal minus 24 by 3. 1 za, 8 za. So y equal minus 8. So for question number 4, the value of y equal minus 8. Now the question number 5. It says 7y plus 4 divided by y plus 2 equal minus 4 by 3. Again cross multiplication. 3 into 7y plus 4 equal minus 4 into y plus 2. Now we got 21y, 3 into 4, 12 equal minus 4 into y, minus 4y, minus plus minus, minus 4 into 2, minus 8. 21y minus 4y will come this side. So plus 4y equal minus 8 plus 12 will come this side. So minus 12. 21y plus 4. I got 25y equal, again two number, both are minus. Add the number and give the minus symbol. So minus 20. So y equal minus 20 by 25. 5 5s are and 5 4s are. So we got y equal minus 4 by 5. So for equation number 5, the value of y equal minus 4 by 5. Now question number 6, it's a word problem. The ages of Hari and Harry are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. Find their present ages. So now its ratio is given, so we need some variables. We can take any variable x, y, z, a, b, c. So I am going to write if the present age of Hari equal how much? 5. So I can write it as 5x. If Hari is 5x, then the present age of Hari will be how much? 7x. Now 4 years from now, suppose anyone present age is 10. So after 4 years, the age is going to be 10 plus 4, 14. Now the age is 5x. So after 4 years, it's going to be 5x plus 4. And this is after 4 years, 7x plus 4. After 4 years. Now, the ratio of their ages. So Hari age will be 5x, and ratio means what? Simply divide, and the Hari age will be 7x. So it is going to be 5x plus 4 and the Hari 7x plus 4. And I can write one more thing if you doubt you have. Hari and Hari. 5x plus 4, 7x plus 4, and the ratio of their ages will be 3/4. Now we have to simplify. Again cross multiplication. So cross multiplication means, now I'll start from here. 4 into 5x plus 4 equal 3 into 7x plus 4. I will continue because we don't have a lot of space. Now 4 into 5x, I got 20x, and 4 into 4, I got 16 equal 7x into 3, 21x, and 3 into 4, I got 12. Now I can write 20x, 21x will come this side, so minus 21x equal, already 12 we have, and this 16 will come this side, so minus 16. I will continue. 20x minus 21x, it's going to be minus x equal minus 4. Minus we have both side, so what we can do, we can cancel the minus, so it means we got x equal 4. Now x equal to 4, their present ages. So we can write here present age of Hari. So 5x, it means 5 into 4. I got 20, and this is 7 into 4. I got 28 because x equal to 4. So present age of Hari equal 20 years and present age of Hari equal 28 years. We don't have a space because it's a word problem, so we did like this because I think this is helpful. Now the last question is, the denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. We will do a step by step. So if the numerator equal x, we have to take any variable, then the denominator is how many greater? Greater than its numerator by 8 is equal x plus 8. Now if the numerator is increased by 17, now the numerator is increased by 17, it means x plus 17, okay, and the denominator is decreased by 1. Now the denominator is decreased by 1. We know this is the numerator and this is the denominator. So the numerator will be above the line and the denominator will be below the line. So now how much you're going to get? You get x plus 17 divide x plus 7. But what they're saying, now the number obtained is 3 by 2. It means x plus 17 and divide x plus 7 equal to what? 3 by 2. Again cross multiplication. So 3 into x plus 7 equal 2 into x plus 17. Now what we got? 3 into x. We got 3x, 3 into 7 plus 21 equal 2 into x. 2x plus 2 into 17, you got 34. Now what we are going to get? Again I will continue. 3x and this 2x will come this side. So minus 2x equal, we have 34 on the right hand side and this 21 will come this side. So minus 21. So what we got? 3x minus 2x. We got x equal 34 minus 21. We got 13. Now they're asking find the rational number. So the numerator is equal to x. So x means what? 13. And the denominator x plus 8. And x is 13. So 13 plus 8. So I got 21. So the rational number, so the rational number equal numerator divided by denominator. This is in this form 13 by 21. This is the answer. So for question number 7, the answer is 13 by 21. So hope this all 7 answers are very helpful for you. So if you like the video, please give some feedback in the comment box, and you can also share this video with your friends so they can also get some benefit from this type of solutions. Thanks for watching.